Hi friends, Miss Mindy here for story time. This time we're going to read The Flea's Sneeze. Remember, during story time we have listening ears, a quiet mouth. Keep our hands to ourselves. Keep our feet on the floor and we sit on our chairs. And this again is The Flea's Sneeze. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. What is this? Barn. It's a barn. Point to the same. Barn. Barn. And everyone is sleeping peacefully. Do this. Sleeping peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. Can you find the frog? Frog. Point to the same. Frog. Frog begins with the letter F for frog. Can you find the owl? Owl. An owl begins with the letter O. Begins with the letter O. Can you find the cat? Cat. Cat begins with the letter C. Cat. No one heard him cough. They didn't hear him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or a rat, or a cat, or the black-eyed bat, or a cow, or an owl, or a feathered fowl, or a dog, or a hog, or an old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. The flea is way down there. He is a flea. And he is sitting on the, what is it? Mouse. Mouse. Can you point to the cow? Point to the same. Cow. Cow. No one heard him sniffle. No one heard him. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or a rat, or a cat, or a black-eyed bat, or a cow, or an owl, or the feathered fowl, or a dog, or a hog, or an old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Can you point to the pig? Find the same. Pig. Where is the chicken? Can you find the chicken? He's up here sitting on the dog. No one heard him garble plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? He needs a tissue. What is it? Tissue. And he needs a tissue because that flea is not feeling well. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or a rat, or a cat, or the black-eyed bat, or a cow, or an owl, or the feathered fowl, or a dog, or a hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. They are all still sleeping. Can you find the dog? Where's the dog? Dog. Can you find the frog? Frog. He is sitting on the cat. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! Show me how you sneeze. Achoo! He had a big sneeze. He scared the rat, who cried boo, and woke the cat, who hissed smoo. He baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo, moo. He woke everybody. It outraged the owl, who hothered hoo, hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo, and daunted the dog, who barked woo, woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. Where is that pig? He's down there, and he said ooh. Where's the dog? Down there, and he yelled woo, woo. And where is the owl? And the owl says woo, woo. But the mouse the flea used for house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. What did the mouse hand him? A tissue. This is what you grab when you need to sneeze. And he wiped his nose. He wiped his nose. He wiped his nose with a tissue. You use a tissue to do this. For the rest of the night, dark, dark night, an old, old farm in the rickety, tumbled-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Barn. Point to the same. Barn. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat and the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I've got a sneeze. He is not feeling well now, and everyone else is sleeping. Well, thank you for joining me for my story, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.